In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Western Union app password step by step if you forgot it. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to reset Western Union password on the app, first open the Western Union app on your device. When the app opens, you will see the login screen where you normally enter your account details. If the login screen does not appear immediately, tap on the menu icon in the app and then select the login option to continue. Once you are on the login page, you will see the field where you normally enter your email address and password to access your account. Since you want to reset your password, enter your email address in the email field and then look for the option that says Forgot Password. Click or tap on the Forgot Password option to start the password reset process. After selecting this option, the system will guide you to the next step, where it will ask you to confirm the email address associated with your Western Union account. Now you will be asked to enter the email address where you want to receive the password reset link. Carefully type the correct email address that is linked to your account to make sure you receive the instructions. After entering the email address, click on the option that says Send me the reset link. This will allow Western Union to send a password reset message to your email inbox. Next, open your email account and check your inbox for the message sent by Western Union. Inside that email, you will find a button or link that says Reset My Password. Click on the Reset My Password button and it will redirect you to the page where you can create a new password for your account. On the password reset page, enter your new password in the provided field. Make sure you choose a strong and secure password. After that, re-enter the new password again in the confirmation field to make sure both passwords match correctly. Once you have entered and confirmed your new password, click on the option that says Reset and Sign In. After clicking this option, your password will be successfully updated and you will be logged into your Western Union account using the new password. This way, you can quickly recover access to your account if you ever forget your password. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.